Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy, and it is Wednesday, February 23rd at about 1 p.m. You are looking at a desktop that we set up for one of our newest members who is in his just his second week of Q School, gentleman by the name of Jared. And on Friday of last week, we said to Jared, this is what we're going to do. Now, he comes to us with trading experience. And he said, Don, I want to do more of what you guys are doing. I want to be trading mechanically. I want to be trading robotically. I want to be getting my emotions out of the game. And so we worked together all of last week, each and every day. This week, a little less talking from me, hopefully. And what we said we would do is we would set up a desktop just like this every day with just two markets. And we were going to pick the markets, not Jared. We were going to pick them. And so to make sure that they were different markets every single day, we have Swing Machine up above for each market. And we chose a different chart style on every single day. And we're still going to be doing this for the rest of the week, maybe into next week. And we would use some of the tools that we had discussed last week that are proprietary to us, including paint bars and show me studies, but more importantly, strategies. And we said that we would set this up so that Jared could see the strategies firing, going into the trades, so he wouldn't have to watch for the alert. But we asked Jared in his simulated account to shadow the trades that he would opt to do and to apply some of the basics that we have already shared with him in terms of controlling and managing his risk. So today is only Wednesday, and Jared is done trading today. And we asked Jared, to start his day. Now, these strategies start firing as early as 4. No, we didn't ask Jared to start at 4. We started at the strategies at 4. But we said, you start when you think you're going to start. And we want you to practice exactly what you think you're going to do. We're gonna have some setups here, but we wanted him to identify, a trading session and get started. And we asked him, to be mindful of his daily objective, and if he can end his day early, do so, and if he can end his week early, do so if he hits his weekly objective. And I'm happy to say that, and Jared is too, that every single day this week he has hit and exceeded his daily objective, and his profit factor is like out of sight. Now, we're showing him a lot, and we're doing a lot because he's in a Q school and we want to maximize his time. As a new trader, once a person leaves the Q school, we ask them to stay more focused on which markets they want to trade, which tools they want to use, which strategies they want to use. And so and we give some coaching tips on how to go about that. So let me show you Jared's scorecard. These are the days that he's been trading. By the way, I think the 21st was a holiday. So he's traded gold. He's traded the Russell. He's traded the NQ. He's traded the ES, and he's traded copper. He's used the swing machine. He used line break. He used Renko. He used line break here, and he used a Zinger strategy. Now, these are all strategy based. These are the intervals, and we would have specified the intervals. The trade count, his profit, his total profit, his total loss, 218, his profit factor, total profit divided by total loss, profit factor 12.84, total number of trades 7, one losing trade and how they break down. Average winners, average losses. And we want to, this is something that we sent to Jared. We got to create a column for his net profit, which would be just under $2,600. And he's been stopping every single day. He stopped early. And the week isn't over. Let me show you something for our other members today. At 9:45 this morning, the VIX does what? Goes long. It was an indication at 9:45 that the markets might sell down. At 9:50, 5 minutes later, the ES goes short. Any of our members who put that trade on and have the practice and acquired trading skill is up $2,700. At 9:45, the NQ goes short, up $4,300. The YM, $1,250. A little later, and it's actually cycled a couple of times, $545. The Russell has cycled a couple of times. It went short again, though, at $1,255. And then we have the other markets as well. Swing Machine is a robot-assisted trading device. It helps the person who has acquired trading skill not just find the fish, but get the fish in the boat. If you like this approach to trading and you want to do what Jared is doing, we have another gentleman, Adam. Adam has a tremendous time-demanding physical job that he's doing day in and day out, only can trade a few hours. Last week, his profit factor, I think, was around 12, netted himself about $2,200. This week, traded on Monday, profitable. Yesterday, profitable. Profit factor around 10. Just, Don, this is great stuff. We will stay with you. We will help you through to move your trading from discretionary, inconsistent, emotional, throwing stuff on, throwing stuff off, treading water or worse, to getting yourself to a mechanical, robotic state. We can certainly help you. But it does take practice. It does take effort. You must have a passion to want to do this. And we can help you get through that process. We've done this now quite a few times. We have also learned from having, shared our thoughts with folks. We have learned how to improve our own teaching skills in that regard. I'm Baggett on Stock Market Caddy. If you have an interest, feel free to give us a shout, 813-758-8263. It starts with you. Good luck, everybody.